For more than 20 years, the Festool DF500 domino jointing machine has served the cabinet making industry with distinction, making jointing all types of timber materials a simple process. With its unique pendulum routing action, the domino cuts a precise slot, into which you can place a range of solid wood tenons from 4mm to 10mm. Whether joining machine timber, furniture making, sheet materials for shop fitting, or manufacturing fitted furniture, the speed, precision and versatility of the domino has yet to be beaten. However, the best just got better. We are delighted to announce the launch of this, the brand new DFC 500 18V domino joining machine. Finally available cordless, the DFC 500 will take you to places you've never been before. Sight. Where before you only had 110V, now you are cordless. It's powered by our EC-Tech brushless motor. The DFC 500 will operate on any of the batteries from our 4 to 8 amp range. From a balance of power and weight perspective, I would recommend the 4 amp, as this is the perfect companion. In a nod to its big brother, the Domino XL, this front end of the machine has been re-engineered. It now incorporates these extra pins for increased flexibility and usability, and the reinforced clamping on these posts will provide extra stability and accuracy in use. A significant change, again derived from the Domino XL, is the use of this newly designed spade handle. Customers have often told us they would like to see this design on the DF500, especially those customers wearing gloves or with large hands. As on the DF500, it can sometimes feel cramped when plunging. So let's see the DFC 500 in action. As you can see, it's as good as ever. And these pins at 22mm centres makes it easier to place the domino in small components like these. The DFC 500 is available as a basic version only and contains a 5mm domino cutter, the additional support for vertical cuts and spanner, all in a sustainer. The sustainer also includes space for batteries, charger, cutters and accessories. We've also made some useful smaller changes to both the mains and battery versions on the domino. These lines on the base have been made deeper for easier viewing. And finally, the head release lever and the spindle lock have had a colour change to green. In essence, nothing has changed in the core operation of the tool, so all your existing DF500 cutters and accessories will fit the new DFC 500. Look out for more content on the new domino coming soon from Festool UK. Also, check out the Festool Quick Guide channel on YouTube. It's a great source of information on many of our tools in short form. I'm Gordon, thanks for watching Festool TV.